Hey guys, so let's talk about why quantum computing stocks are rallying the way that they are rallying right now. If you watched the video that I posted a month ago where I pretty much covered D-Wave, I covered quantum computing, I covered IonQ, I covered 5 stocks that could change your life if you were to invest in them or get into call options and let those things ride. The reason why we're seeing such a massive pump into the quantum computing space is because of AI. Just as I said in that video, we, for one, have to follow the money. We have to follow where companies, where the U.S. government is pumping in money, where investors are pumping their money all together. And this main thing that we see our biggest tech companies in the world integrating into their services, into their products, and that is AI, artificial intelligence. When you see such a massive pump into one little space like that, that's not just the only thing that we would need to be paying attention to, or maybe not those companies, whether it's Facebook, who wants to build an AI data center the size of Manhattan, Apple, who's integrated open AI and artificial intelligence into the newer iPhones, right? Google. Then you have Amazon. You have all the biggest tech companies, including Tesla, with how they are using AI. You may say, okay, these companies, Tesla is in the 300s, 400s, Amazon 200s, Meta, 750. You may see, okay, yeah, the news is saying that they're investing in AI, that they're pumping billions into AI, but where do we look that we can get at a smaller level and we can grow with it? And that is in that quantum computing space. In the last month, every last one of those stocks that I talked about has grown from 31%, grown 31% to 100% in the last 30 days. Because quantum computing is one of those things that facilitates the machine learning that AI uses. And it's not just quantum computing. We also got to look at companies that have AI data centers. We also have to look at who's powering these data centers, who's powering this overall AI in terms of the electric side of AI. There are a number of companies that we can look at that has that potential to grow with AI, because as AI grows, so will these spaces. And so that is just something I wanted to do really quickly as a reminder. Don't just look at the big companies, the big names who's doing the investing. Look at who's going to benefit from such massive investment, as well as the growth of AI stocks. So I just wanted to bring that to your attention really quickly. At the time that I made those videos, I got into call options with December expirations, and I've sold one contract so far for them. And then I also got some shares in them because I already knew what this thing is going to do. And when you follow the investment and you just sit down and read an article or 10, you will notice the mention of quantum computing, machine learning. You will also notice how they use it for research and development and a number of other things. You'll notice some of these companies being mentioned. And if one is being mentioned, the others may pop up as suggestions, and people are pouring into those as well. Okay, ripple effect. So keep them on your radar still. Whether it's D-Wave, whether it's quantum computing, whether it's IonQ, there are a number of them, Big Bear AI, tons of them. Keep them on your radar. Keep watching them. It's never too late to invest in something. Always simply wait for a pullback. Sometimes they go up and they'll be coming back down to some heavy levels. And I'm personally watching to average down on some of my shares, as well as averaging down on some more of my contracts. So when it pushes back up, I'm just maximizing those profits. All right. So I hope this helped. I hope this is something that you can add to your radar. You're able to capitalize on over the next 30 days for whatever may happen. Go do your own due diligence, whether the technical or the fundamentals. Look into them, read, make your decision from there, and I hope it helps. So with that, I will see you guys in the next one.